Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to fix our faucet using a Gorilla Super Glue. I bought this Gorilla for about $11 including the tax, and I'm truly hoping that this will be able to solve my problem. The left handle of our faucet is broken. The thread is not holding really well, so it's damaged, and I have no plan yet to get a new faucet at this time, so I'm trying to find a solution. By the way, guys, if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell. In that simple way, you will be able to help grow our channel, and we truly appreciate it. As you can see, I already applied the glue and I connected the two parts. Hopefully this is the right answer. So after the application, we're going to leave this for about 4 hours, and after that, we're going to test if it's really doing a positive outcome. Our two faucets in our bathroom are both not working. The hot handle. So just imagine if you're going to brush your teeth using a cold water. Since the hot handle of the faucet is not working, so that is a disaster to my gums. Well, about my gums, that will be a different story. This time is the faucet, fixing our broken faucets. Now I'm already in the second faucet applying the Gorilla Super Glue. If I haven't mentioned earlier about the solution, this is my second attempt using a different brand. The first fixed, it didn't work. Unfortunately, I didn't able to capture a video on it because I have no intention to, but this time I am documenting to show you how it works. So at this moment, I'm so confident that I'm able to fix it. And after 4 hours, okay, try it. Slowly.
It's hard to turn. Like, how do you turn this off? Mommy. I can't turn it. I can't turn it off.
Oh my god, I tried to fix it.
Okay. Oh, you just use hot glue. What are you doing?